welcome back. In the last video we installed Clang and we tried to download VS Code, and I needed to figure out a way to connect my download folder of Windows from the Linux terminal. So this process is called creating symlink or symbolic link. So how to do that, I can Google the steps in front of you because I don't remember on top of my head. So it goes something like this: part to file, part to symlink. So let's go this way. Let's first try to go to our C drive and see how it goes. Users, Bhavik, and I'm not able to even read the thing, so I'm going to change my theme for Ubuntu. Let me edit darker. Yeah, this is much better. I need it. Okay, downloads. So maybe LN. This is target, and link we want to call it downloads. And let's do ls. And now we see downloads here. Yeah, and if we do cd downloads and ls, and we can see all the links that are downloaded. So that is how you create symlink: ln dash target and link name. So here I did same ln dash, this was the target and this was our link name for Linux. Okay, now this was our dep package. So to install that, we do sudo ag-i to install code whatever.db. And don't worry, I'll write all these steps in the description one by one, so you will be able to do that process. So as you can see here, some errors we are getting because of dependency problem. So what we can do is sudo apt install -f to fix whatever is broken. Hit yes. And benefit of using Windows 11 is that we can use Linux native GUI app inside Windows. So that is what we are doing. We are downloading VS Code inside Linux, and we are going to use that graphical interface because we are downloading whole app there. So we are going to use VS Code GUI app within the Linux that we downloaded, but we are going to use it inside Windows. So we can do it from Windows 11 onwards, this feature was not available in Windows 10. So I think VS Code is now downloaded and we should be able to see VS Code now. Ubuntu. Yeah, if you can see here in Ubuntu folder we have Visual Studio Code Ubuntu. We click that and there you go. We have Visual Studio Code running in Ubuntu. And I know this looks a bit ugly, so it's going to work anyway. So let's download for Windows as well, if you prefer that one. So I just want to show that you can use either or. So I thought maybe it would look fancy and all, but it's not looking fancy. So let's download for Windows, and for Windows we are going to use system installer. So why not we use Winget tool that we have handy. So we are going to search VS Code. It's similar to app package manager of Ubuntu. So we found, and we are going to use that ID here, this one. And it's like 1.89, and that's what we had downloaded here. But now we are going to download inside Windows. So get install code, and we are going to do it system wise. So I'll do scope equals to machine. I think just like that. Not score, scope. Okay, it's failing for some reason. Let's try G flag. Not doing that as well. Scope. That's what we were doing. Okay, let me Google how to do scope. It's not showing. Let's try this. Okay, maybe we need admin privileges, so we will run this as admin. And now we'll do get install. Oh, that was the problem. We didn't have enough privileges to add system wise. So if we want to install for the scope machine like system wide, then we might need admin privileges. So we must run as admin, and it's going to install. Yeah, and we don't have to do all this step manually that we would do otherwise. Once you know like correct command, it's easy, and it comes with practice as well. Okay, so now we want to open anything in download folder, then we can do code dot, and I think it's not added in the path. So let's go to control panel, system, advanced, go to environment variables, path, system variables, yeah, path. VS Code is not there here, not that here as well, so we need to add path here. So we'll get that. Okay, it's there. Still it didn't work. uh, let's restart the terminal. Go to downloads folder. Okay, we just needed a restart, and it opens download folder using code dot. So this is in PowerShell it works. So suppose we want to make code dot work here in WSL as well. So we try to do that. It runs using that Linux app. So maybe just let's uninstall because it looks ugly. So it was bpkg. Yes, code. Yes, code. Okay, I had to do code. Just going to remove uh, VS Code that we installed using Linux. All the things, all the libraries, dependencies related to that, and auto remove, auto clean, everything. And we will make it work. I know how to make it work. Clear. And now we do code dot. It won't open anything because we don't have VS Code installed inside Ubuntu. So now we want to do is we want to create an alias to be able to do that task. So what we can do is create bash uh, prof aliases profile or bash profile or something. So I'll just create bash aliases, and we will add alias there for code that will be linked to that path, whatever the Windows path that VS Code had. So its alias is we are going to like give it a name. So for Windows path we'll just give name code inside Linux. So it will be able to do whatever we did in PowerShell just now here. So let's do that. So I'll just take hint of what I had already created earlier. So I have this repo and I have some setup stuff, and I already have created those aliases. So we'll just copy whatever we need. So maybe don't have it here, but similar to what we have. So we'll just create one bash aliases on the fly. So what you are going to do is vim bash aliases, and here we are going to create alias. So similar to something like this. So I'll paste this in the description. So this is for ls, and we'll do something similar. I provide this whole file, I think that will make job easier, but let's do this. Create alias for that path, etc users bhavik, it would be program files, program. Why don't we just go there? But path, not that. Yeah, open file location, and we'll copy this path. It's going like that. It seems weird. Bear with me, I need to check. See from files. Okay, we have it here. We can use that. We don't need to do this one. Program files, Microsoft. alias for VS Code, then I saved it using :wq. So vim bash alias is to open and :wq to save. Then we source bash aliases like this. And now if we do code dot, and no such files. Okay, we don't need users there. So we remove users. We'll source again code. Maybe we'll just restart the terminal. So let's restart Ubuntu. And we code dot, and there it's going to, like, we need to allow, and it's going to open. So this is VS Code of Windows that is opening using WSL terminal. So now suppose if we go to download folder and we open using code dot, it will open inside download folders. There you go. So this is the same thing we did inside PowerShell. Now we can do through Windows WSL terminal. So this is all for VS Code, and I'll put all the steps in the description. Thanks.